Food for healthy bones. A healthy balanced diet will help you build healthy bones from an early age and maintain them throughout your life. You need sufficient calcium to keep your bones healthy and vitamin D to help your body absorb calcium. Poor bone health can cause conditions such as rickets and osteoporosis and increase the risk of breaking a bone from a fall later in life. You should be able to get all the nutrients you need for healthy bones by eating a balanced diet. A good diet is only one of the building blocks for healthy bones, which also includes exercise and avoiding certain risk factors for osteoporosis. Calcium. Adults need 700 mg of calcium a day. You should be able to get all the calcium you need by eating a varied and balanced diet. The good sources of calcium include milk, cheese, and other dairy foods. Green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, and okra, but not spinach. Soya beans, tofu, plant-based drinks such as soya drink with added calcium, nuts, bread, and anything made with fortified flour. Fish, where you eat the bones such as sardines and pilchards. Although spinach contains a lot of calcium, it also contains oxalate, which reduces calcium absorption and it is therefore not a good source of calcium. Vitamin D. Adults need 10 micrograms of vitamin D a day. It's difficult to get all the vitamin D we need from our diet, and we get most of our vitamin D from the action of the sun on our skin. And April to the end of September, you can make vitamin D from sunlight by having short daily periods of sun exposure without sunscreen. However, everyone should consider taking a daily vitamin D supplement during the autumn and winter season when we cannot make vitamin D from sunlight. At-risk groups. Some groups of the population are at greater risk of not getting enough vitamin D. These people should take a daily 10 microgram vitamin D supplement all year around. These groups are people who are not often outdoors, for example, if they are frail, housebound, or living in a care home. People who usually wear clothes that cover up most of their skin when outdoors. People with dark skin, such as those of African Caribbean, or South Asian origin. Good sources of vitamin D. Oily fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Egg yolk. Fortified foods such as some fat spreads and breakfast cereals. If you've been diagnosed with osteoporosis, your doctor may prescribe calcium and vitamin D supplements as well as osteoporosis drug treatments if they have concerns that your calcium intake may be low. Menopause. Women lose bone more rapidly for a number of years after the menopause when their ovaries almost stop producing estrogen, which has a protective effect on bones. There are no specific calcium or vitamin D recommendations for the menopause. However, a healthy diet including calcium, summer sunlight, and vitamin D supplements will help slow down the rate of bone loss. Vegans. Non-vegans get most of their calcium from dairy foods, that is milk, cheese, and yogurt. But vegans will need to get it from other foods. The good source of calcium for vegans include fortified soya, rice, and oat drinks, soya beans, calcium set tofu, sesame seeds, and tahini and pulses.